Greetings from Travel Tree Software. In this video, I want to show you some really cool updates from May and first part of June. Those updates would really help you to create itineraries much faster. So if you are in offers, trips, or here in itineraries, and you are creating a new one or just editing existing itinerary, you could pay attention to this search field. In this search field, you can search for your own elements, which you have created before, but also you can search for some elements from our database. For example, if we put Paris, the element that we see now is with black icon. This means that this element is not in your account yet, but if you drag and drop it into the itinerary, it becomes blue instantly, so it is copied into your account. And also the pencil button appears, so if you click on it, it will open in another page this element, and you can change anything you want here. You can add a supplier, for example, or add prices, add some notes. You can delete some of those images and add your own. You can add videos and so on. Just like this, we have added element into the itinerary, and if you click on the day one, it is here, and you can edit and adjust it also in the itinerary itself, not the template element as I showed you before. So here you can also add the prices and make any other changes. Then if you go back to Builder, next to the search field, you have this information icon, and here you see the countries for which we have this content. If you don't see the country that you need here, you can just contact us and we will add the content for your country. Or maybe there is a country but some areas of the country are not covered. In this case, you can also contact us and we can add the content. But you can also create the content yourself nowadays pretty fast. If you search here in the search field and you don't find some place, you can just click on create element, and you have two options. The second option is not available yet, but it will be ready pretty soon. You have the option create elements from location available already. The only thing you need to add is a location. Let's say you don't find some place there and you want to create it yourself. For example, it would be Milan, metropolitan city of Milan, Italy. After you select the location, the AI creates for you the title, the description, and it also creates translations to other languages in your account and finds pictures from free photo stocks. So the only thing you need to do is to select the pictures that you like. You can preview the pictures by clicking on the eye icon. If you're not satisfied with those pictures, you can upload some pictures also from your desktop. If you do not see the pictures that you need here, you can also change the search in this field. You have to select the main picture also out of those pictures that you select. But be careful, some pictures might not be relevant because those are free photo stocks and people might have uploaded something which is not relevant. Or also when there are no pictures of this place in the stock, sometimes the stock shows you just other pictures. Like for example, you're looking for some museum, they don't have the picture of this exact museum, they will just show you pictures of any other museums. If you don't really know the place and you're not sure that those are the right pictures, how you can check that the pictures are right, you can click on this icon next to the location. It will open this place on Google Maps. The Google Maps has a lot of pictures. So here you can just click on picture and browse through the pictures. And if it's some castle or church, if you browse through the pictures, then it will be easier for you to identify the right pictures here from the stocks. And when you are uploading pictures of your own, you'll be also able to attribute the picture, because sometimes when you take pictures from some free stocks, you are obliged to attribute, to write who is the author of this picture. I can recommend you a web page, Visual Hunt, but say our system didn't find those pictures in the free photo stocks. So you can manually find the picture on this Visual Hunt page. Remember to select commercial use as a filter, so you'll have the pictures which you actually have the right to use commercially in your itineraries. It takes some time to filter pictures, and yeah, let's just try to use the horizontal pictures, not the vertical. Horizontal, and download pictures of the size L, and because on this web page there are pictures of different qualities within that ones. So just look for the good quality picture. Just take any. It can also be a square picture, preferably not a vertical picture. But if there are no other pictures, you can also use a vertical picture in our software. It just will look a bit worse, and some parts of it will be cut, but it will be possible to expand. When you find the picture, download the L size, then you have to click here to copy the attribution, because it's the requirements of this license. It's the attribution required, commercial use okay. Then you go back to the software, you click upload photos, you upload the photo that's already here, that you have just downloaded, and you click here and you click paste attribution, and then you just save everything. So now we have element from Milan, which we have just created, and you can just drag and drop it into the itinerary. It has the description and it has the pictures that we have selected and the picture which you have uploaded from your desktop. Another new feature which you might need is that when you hover over the element, you will see the location and the supplier. Sometimes there might be elements with the same name but from different places, or it could be some guided tour and you might have it from different suppliers in the system. When you hover, see the supplier and location, it will help you to choose this element. If we go to itinerary and elements, now you see that this completely redesigned page has a column with supplier, which is clickable and you will open information about the supplier. You see also country, city, category, more information here, and you can also see the number of images. If there are no images, it will be 0 and it will be red. And you can even filter elements, like here, you can find all the elements without images. So we recommend there is at least one image per element, because otherwise it will not look good in the itinerary. And I think you know how to add the supplier, but just in case you don't, I'll show you. You only click on the element. Here you see the supplier field, and I have to select the supplier from the list of suppliers. You can find the right supplier by just starting to type the name of the supplier. Okay, that's it for today.